Find the integral of x dx from the limits of integration here are 3 to 6. All right, so there's a couple ways we can actually do this. We can look at this more geometrically, right? So when I say geometrically, let's actually draw this out, right? This function is the function, essentially y equals x, right? We know what that is, right? This is a line, right? It goes through the origin and whose slope is 1 over 1, right? But what we're doing here is we are finding the area underneath this curve, right? Between the x-axis, between 3 and 6. X equals 3, here's x equals 3, right? And here's x equals 6. So basically what this question is asking is, we have this function, right? It's the line y equals x. Here's x equals 3, here's x equals 6. We want to find this area here. And if you look at this shape, right, it's actually in the shape of a trapezoid. And we know the area, right? The formula for the area of a trapezoid. It's, let's see, it's h, the height, times b1 plus b2, right, divided by 2. And in this case, right, we actually know what these values are, right? In this case, if you sort of put this trapezoid sideways, right, the height here is going to be 3. Okay, so the height is 3. Of course, b1 is this length right here, which we know is 6. And this length here, base 2, is 3. So if we plug these guys in, right, we got 3 times 6 plus 3, and all of that divided by 2. Of course, we're going to do the order of operations. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And then 27 over 2, which is about 13.5, right? So because this is a well-known shape, though, okay, it's not a curve, which in that case, there's no formula for that. But in this case, right, we can use geometry to find this guy. But, well, this is a calculus class. So how do we find this using calculus, right? Well, we got to find the antiderivative. And there's a formula for this, right? If we have a to b of x dx, right, then this is going to be x squared over 2, right? Evaluated from a to b. So in this case, we're going to get what? B squared over 2 minus a squared over 2, right? So, and this property, right? This property only applies if it's just x, right? Okay. And, well, we know a, right? A in this case is equal to 3, right? A is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6. So in this case, we can just use this formula and plug in our values of a and b, right? So we get what? 36 over 2 minus 9 over 2, right? 36 minus 9, hey, look at that, right? Same answer, 27 over 2.